Hello guys, today you will be learning how to solve problems by writing equations. So first let's go ahead and do a quick recap of how to translate sentences to mathematical equations. So here we have 8 less than 3 times a number is 23. So remember here again we translate them the same way. However here, because it says the words less than, so whatever is in the back of that less than, we need to move to the front. So 8 less than 3 times a number is 3. So we have 8 less than means minus 3 times a number we don't know is negative 23. Now the main thing here we need to remember is whenever we here see the word less than, more than, fewer than, we need to flip it around. So here it will become 3n minus 8 is equal to negative 23. If you do not flip it, then your equations will be incorrect and you will end up with the incorrect answer. So remember when it comes to subtraction, you cannot flip them around. You cannot commute them like you can with addition. So it's very important that you make sure you flip them whenever you see the words less than or fewer than. Let's try another one. So here we have 13 is 7 more than 1/5 of a number. So again, here goes the word more than again. So more than, you need to make sure you add is mean equal. Then we have 13, 1/5 of a number that we do not know of. So again, because of that more than, whatever's behind it needs to be in the front. So it'll become 1/5 of n plus 7. And then here we have is 13. So this is how you will go ahead and translate that one. Again, be very careful with the words more than, fewer than, greater than. Anything with a than, you need to flip it around. Alright, so here is a word problem. It says you buy 3 books that each cost the same amount and a magazine, all for $55.99. You know that the magazine costs $1.99. How much does each book cost? So in that $55.99, what is included in there is, so you have in that 55, you have 3 books that you do not know their price. So it's 3 books you do not know of. So I'm going to call it 3B. B for the price of 1 book and the cost of 1 magazine, and you only purchase 1 magazine, so it'll be plus $1.99. And from there you can go ahead and solve the equation to find the cost of 1 book. Let's switch colors. So here you want to go ahead and subtract $1.99. Remember, this was $55.99 that I forgot about. So we get $1.99. So we actually will end up with 54 is equal to 3B. And from there you want to go ahead and divide both sides by 3. And the 3's cancel. And we can quickly do 54. And we get 18. So each book here costs $18. Alright, so let's try a different problem. Alright, so here we have, this one says that you and your friends yours and your friend's lunch costs $19. Your lunch costs $3 more than your friend's. How much was your friend's lunch? So here we're trying to figure out how much was your friend's lunch. And it says that yours costs more than your friend. And we do not know how much is your friend. So we have your lunch plus your friend. And that's supposed to give us $19. Now, one information that they gave us is that your lunch costs $3 more than your friend's lunch. So your lunch here is going to be $3 more than what your friend paid. So this is you right here. You see that? So this is your lunch is $3 more than your friend's. Plus also you still have your friend's lunch. So now when we go ahead and simplify this, we get 3. This f plus this f is going to equal to 2f equal 19. And subtract 3 on both sides, we get 2f equals 16. And dividing by 2, so you get your friend's lunch is actually $8. So your friend's lunch costs $8. So that means your lunch costs $11 because yours was $3 more than hers. Okay, so let's go ahead and do one of these problems from the practice book. Alright, so here we have Jamie has budgeted $20 per month for long distance calls. Write the correct answer. And they want to know, so here we have different phone plans. So we have plan A, charge $3.95, $3.95 to access, and then 8 cents per minute. And plan B, charge $8.95 to access, however 6 cents per minute. And plan C does not charge any access fee, however it does charge 10 cents per minute. So in this question here, they want to know how many minutes will Jimmy be able to use per month with a plan A. So here again we are looking at plan A. So plan A is doing $3.95 a month plus they're charging you 8 cents per minute. Again, per minute, would not know how many minutes she's going to use, and she's planning on using only $20. And here we go ahead and solve. So M here is for the number of minutes. Okay, and here we go ahead and solve the equation normally. We subtract $3.95 on both sides. Cancel. And this right here will give us $16.05. And here we want to go ahead and divide by 0.08. And divide by 0.08, about 8 cents per minute. And we get M is, again, dividing this to, so divide that by 0.08. And we get 200. Now remember the question says to round to the nearest minute, so we want to keep it at 200 minutes. Because if she uses it for 201 minutes, she's going to go over her budget and she might get charged extra fees. Okay, so this is how you will do the rest of the problems from that practice sheet. Okay, so that's it. That's all for today. Have a good one. Bye-bye.